Blessings to everyone on this great Saturday, April 6, 2024. It's also the eclipse day. But anyway, it's also the day that my hiking group goes hiking, but I won't be there because I'm home babysitting the house because we had a water leak and it's being repaired. Look how beautiful it is out here. It's nice and crisp and it's sunny. Oh, look at that sun. Oh, wow. Beautiful. All right, let's see what's going on with this house repair here. Okay, I had to remove the carpet because there was water underneath. This whole wall was bubbled up. Another one of those machines. And in this hallway, noisy. The porch that goes outside in this stairway. You had to remove the carpeting. This wall wasn't so bad, but this is where the problem started. They put on these two brackets to repair the leak. And they're got a blower here. This is the third floor, and they have a blower here. They had to remove the vinyl flooring here in this bathroom. It's a mess. Oh, it looks nothing like it normally do. Oh, wow. All right. Well, this is before and after, so we'll see what it looks like once everything is done. All right. Take care. God bless. And enjoy and do your thing to help balance out the craziness in this world and make it a better place. All right. JB signing out.